Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to plant a butterfly garden. This video will take you through ways you can plant a butterfly garden to achieve your dreams of having a beautiful yard. So stick around for the best guide. Choose the right location. The first thing to do when coming up with a butterfly garden is to choose the right location, a site that receives direct sunlight and is pesticide-free. The garden plants need direct sunlight to grow and flourish to attract the butterflies. Next, while butterflies aren't pests themselves, they don't like pesticides. Choose a place where you don't need to control pests. Choose plants that attract the butterflies. The plants in your garden must attract butterflies. The plants include nectar-producing flowers, since the butterflies depend on it as food, and other plants that the butterfly larvae will feed on. The nectar-producing flowers that attract butterflies include marigolds, purple, and salvias. You can as well consult experts on the right plants that attract butterflies in your area. Provide water. Butterflies don't drink water as human beings do, but they need it for survival. Set out water sources or birdbath and add rocks into the trays for the butterflies to perch on once they arrive. The sources should be in a visible location to be located by the butterflies. Provide shelter. Plant trees and shrubs strategically in the garden. The trees will block strong winds against the delicate butterflies and house them against the rains. In addition, trees provide haven for the butterflies to roost and hide themselves against predators at night. Also, apart from trees, you can use secluded logs in quiet corners to provide shelter for the butterflies. The logs can serve as a quick hideout for the butterflies when in need. Plant in drifts. Plant the same type of trees or flowers in groups of 3 to 5 patches. Butterflies will then be able to spot colors that interest them from afar easily. Butterflies rely on vision to spot the nectar sources, and big blocks of flowers make it easier for them. So there you have it. That is how you plant a successful butterfly garden. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure to drop them below and like this video. Till next time.